This video has been created for our CRB011 unit Teaching Technologies and is based on our Digital Technologies activity, Will Your Beebot Make It to the Bear Cave?
In this video, we will give an overview of our activity conducted over 3 lessons, how this activity links to the digital technology strands in the Australian curriculum, and also discuss any other curriculum links.
Our activity is based on the TPAC framework. This is evident in the way we constructed our lessons. Lesson 1 focuses on the content and pedagogical knowledge, Lesson 2 focuses on the technological and pedagogical knowledge, and Lesson 3 combines technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge, making up the TPAC framework. Throughout the lessons, students will be exploring the uses of coding and developing their computational thinking by programming a Beebot using the algorithm from the children's book We're Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenberry. Lesson 1 begins with viewing a YouTube clip titled What is an Algorithm? Next, students participate in an authentic activity where they will put their new knowledge of programming digital systems such as robots into practice.
After this activity, together the class collaboratively identified the algorithm within the storybook We're Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenberry. This enhances the students' understanding of coding because programmers need to be able to identify and follow algorithms to code successfully. This lesson adheres to the knowledge and understanding and processes and productions content descriptors under the digital technologies curriculum, as shown. These are met in this lesson by teaching algorithms and also by teaching students that a digital system follows instructions or commands.
Like Lesson 1, this lesson also adheres to the content descriptor below. Throughout this lesson, students are recognizing and using hardware and software components of digital systems and experimenting with their functions. For example, playing with the Beebot to determine how it moves and how to debug the program. This lesson helps to consolidate the knowledge of algorithms that students gained in Lesson 1 by creating and using algorithms to program the Beebot's movements. Coding is introduced to students throughout this lesson as students are exposed to the coded buttons on the Beebot. In Lesson 3, the students complete a summative assessment task consisting of 2 parts. The first part requires students to use their knowledge of algorithms to demonstrate their skills of programming a Beebot to move around the map. The second part of the assessment focuses on using code to write the algorithm used to get from home to the bear cave on the map.
Now I will play a video of what the students will do in Part A of the assessment task. As you can see in this video, while it plays, the students are required to program their Beebot to navigate through a map following the sequence of events from the book We Are Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenberry, which are portrayed by pictures on the map. This computational thinking is enhanced throughout this task because it requires the students to formulate a solution to a problem using a digital device, a Beebot. Coding is also evident in this task through the programming stages when the students are required to program their Beebot successfully to complete the task. Programming their Beebot requires coding skills because they are following an algorithm, which is a sequence of steps in order to navigate through the map successfully. They are then required to write this code down, which is a visual representation of the algorithm they used. Now we'll go back to finish off the PowerToon slideshow.
This assessment piece adheres to the content descriptor as seen below from the Digital Technologies curriculum. Students will begin by following simple algorithms to solve the problem of getting the Beebot from home to the bear cave. They will then describe and represent the algorithm using code. As identified in the activity plan, these lessons can be linked to the English and Mathematics curriculum. The English content descriptor, as seen, fits into the lessons as students use spoken language for problem solving, exploring ideas and concepts. Students are also learning to listen to, remember and respond to detailed instructions. Throughout the lessons, there is evidence of mathematical content. Content descriptor ACMMG046 asks students to identify and describe half and quarter turns. In Lesson 2 particularly, students are also learning about half turns and how to program them so that the Beebot can reach its destination. The content descriptor ACMMG044 is evident in the assessment piece as students are interpreting a simple map with key pictures from the book. Students use this map to represent how the bebop moves from home through the obstacles to find the bear cave.
Thank you.